This is the ZenWatch 3. Not only is it the perfect companion to your Zen phone, it's incredibly stylish too. The circular design is distinctly classic. 3 buttons on the side and the usual touchscreen controls make it easy to navigate. From the stitched Italian leather bands to the jewelry-grade 316L steel body, the ZenWatch 3 really is a sight to behold. Silver, gunmetal, and rose gold options are all available. This premium craftsmanship can withstand the test of time. It's easy to make the ZenWatch 3 your own. More than 50 faces are available for download, plus you can build your own with the dedicated Face Designer app. Dive into the ZenWatch Manager app to make fine adjustments. Have an active lifestyle? The ZenWatch 3 can keep up. You can monitor your exercise with the revamped ZenFit app. It's water-resistant, and there are rubber sport straps available. The ZenWatch 3 is particularly clever about charging. The brand new Hypercharge system can top up to 60% in only 15 minutes. With the optional battery pack, you can get an extra 40% charge. Beyond that, a special Eco mode can double your battery life. Plus, the new Qualcomm Snapdragon processor uses 25% less power than the previous generation. The Asus ZenWatch 3 embodies luxury for everyone. Visit zenphone.asus.com.
This is Airblock, a one-of-a-kind, programmable, transformable drone and hovercraft. Think you've seen a drone like this? Think again. Airblock is unlike any drone you've seen before. Start with individual magnetic pieces, and 15 seconds later, you have a drone. Control the drone through the app via Bluetooth and take to the sky in no time. Airblock is amazing, not just because it's entertaining, but also because it's educational. It teaches kids, and big kids, about coding and aerodynamics. Use pre-programmed maneuvers within the app. Just drag and drop into action. Airblock caters to every type of drone pilot. Want to try your own moves? Program your own aerial stunts right in the app. Have some cool ideas of your own? Airblock allows you to DIY so you can build your very own creation from scratch. With Airblock, you're not just constrained to the air. Take to the land or sea by transforming your drone into a hovercraft and hover over smooth ground or even over water. Rookie killing your vibe and your drone? Totally fine. Airblock is tough, so you can fly and bump into obstacles without fear. The engineered plastic foam makes Airblock durable, so it's safe to fly indoors or out. Snap into action and keep flying. So who's behind this awesome product? We are. And who are we? MakeBlock. We've launched and shipped 4 products on Kickstarter and have grown from just 3 people to a team of 200 people today. We've got 400,000 users and still growing. In the past 4 years, we've established ourselves as the company that encourages STEM-based education through our DIY robotics and products. We're passionate about bringing DIY robotics and STEM-based programming and education to folks like you. We need your help to get Airblock off the ground, so back to the point. You want a programmable, transformable, crashable drone? We'll make it easy for you. Back our Kickstarter campaign. And the best part? It's affordable. Because let's face it, everyone should have Airblock. Support the cause and get your own. Airblock. Code to fly.
What if we told you you can see invisible things? What if we told you you can know the answer to any question? What if? That is all now possible with the 24 KUPI Invisible Watch. We are bringing you this new, innovative, invisible technology. When the watch is turned on, it looks like there is nothing on the screen. But when you use our special, unique glasses, you are able to see the content on the screen. To make this work, we use a special screen and special lenses. The glasses are unisex and made with good quality. Now you can upload content on the watch. Put the glasses on and enjoy your exams, because only you will have access to the hidden content. This technology is also available for other devices that we have on offer, such as LCD monitors, phones, tablets, and so on. Visit us now and get your 24 KUPI Invisible Watch.